everyone. Myself, Dr. Sriparna Saha. And in my YouTube channel, we used to discuss different topics that could be related to AI, machine learning, and could be related to coding as well. We have a separate playlist where we have talked about MATLAB coding. Currently, we are talking about how to write simple code using Python. These many number of videos are already there. I will suggest you to first go through each of the videos to understand what we have already covered. Today, we are going to talk about how to write numerical expressions using Python. So, this is today's topic, that is the numerical operations using Python. For that, we have installed a software called Atom. Suppose we are making one variable. The variable is a is equal to 3. Now we'll be printing that variable. Now we need to go for the addition operations. This is very simple. Then for the subtraction, I hope this is also very simple to you. This is the multiplication operator and this is the division operator. Now this is the division. Now if you want to find the remainder, then you need to give this percentage sign. And if you want to go for the power operation, that is this star operator. So if you have write one single star, then this will be this multiplication operation. If you have written two stars, then it will be power operation. So we have saved this file in the desktop. Here you can see this particular file has been saved in the desktop. Now what do we need to do? We need to open our command prompt. In the command prompt, we need to make the current directory to the desktop. So I have made that, this is the desktop. Now what I need to write to run the particular code, that is Python code name prog07, as this is the seventh number of code. Currently we are talking about .py. This is the extension you need to mention whenever you are saving the code, such that the code can be run using Python. Just see that same extension has been given over here, that is the .py, right? So I have written that and make the enter. Now just check. So our Python program was saved. So what we have first printed, print A. So A is 3, right? So 3 has been printed over here. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is printed over here. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 is printed over here. 3 cross 2, 6. That is printed over here. 3 divided by 2, that is 1.5. That is printed over there. And what is the remainder of this division? 1, right? So that is remainder 1. That is over there, printed over there. Now 3 to the power 2, that is 3 square is 9. So now 9 is printed over here. This is the addition operation when the types are in the numeric form, that is the types can be integers and it could be floating. Now suppose we want to do this numerical operation on string. Okay, so what we can write, A1, suppose I am writing A1 is equal to hello. Okay, now I am making another B1 is equal to everyone, right? Now I will be giving over here a space. Okay, so first just check, if I do not give over any space, what happens? So now make one C1 variable, C1 is equal to A1 plus C1, right? Now print C1. Now I will be saving it. I just paste Ctrl plus S that to save it, otherwise you can save it from here. So now I will be running the same program. So same program, see, this is the result, and hello and everyone, there is no space in between. Okay, this is taken as a single word now. So now suppose I need to give the space between hello and everyone. What I need to do? I need to give a space over here. I can give space over here or I can give space over here. Anywhere you can give a space in the string. And what happens here, that whatever there in the single quotation, that will be taken as a string value by the Python. So now just save this particular file, next go to command prompt and run the same program. Now just compare the two results. Here there was no space and here there is a space. This is how you can use Python to run numerical operations. I hope you have liked today's video.